Rules for spellings. Okay, there are some rules for spelling. Spellings are of great importance in English language. Spellings should be learnt carefully. There are no certain and universal rules for spellings. However, these rules may be followed. Rule first, mostly Q is used with U. For example, quarrel, queen, quiet and quiet. Rule number 2, if the word full is added to any word, then one L is removed, as in faithful, help, full. Rule number 3, the words which end with double L, and if some suffix is added to them, then the last L is also removed. For example, welcome, welcome, almost, almost, willful, willful. Rule number 4, if well or will is added at the end of any word, then L at the end is not removed. Unwell, good will. Rule number 5, if at the end of any word there is double E, then while adding ing or dom, the word should not be modified as agreeing and freedom. Rule number 6, while adding ing at the end of a word, that word is generally not modified. Sleeping, weeping. Rule number 7, if at the end of a verb it has letters I, E, then while adding ing, IE is converted into Y. Lying, L-I-E-I-N-G, lying, and now L-Y-I-N-G. Dying, that is D-Y-I-N-G. Rule number 8, if before the last letter of any verb there is a short vowel, then except in case of W, R, Y, while adding ing, that last letter of the verb should be written twice as running. Rule number 9, if the last letter of the verb is W, R or Y, then while adding ing, the last letter of the verb would not be written twice as drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Answer, answering, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. Rule number 10, if the last letter of the noun is Y and before that there is a vowel, then while making plural only, S is added with that noun as boys, days, toys. Rule number 11, if IE jointly sounds double E, then I is used before E. Yield, believe and knees. But with the double vowel, EI is used conceive, receive and deceive. Next rule, if at the end of any word there is ATE, then while converting it into noun, E is replaced by ION. Dictate, dictation, hesitate, agitation, vacate, vacation. Rule number 13, if the last letter of a noun is O, before O there is a consonant, then ES is added to make plural. Mango or mangoes, ES. Hero, heroes. Next rule, if the last letter of any noun is Y and before that there is a consonant, then Y is converted into IES to make it plural. Lady, ladies, body, bodies, duty, duties. Next rule, if the last letter of any word is Y, then while adding full, that last letter Y is converted into I. Duty, I, duty, full. Beauty, Y, I, beautiful. Next one, if the last letter of its noun is F-O-F-E, then while making a plural, that F-O-F-E is converted into V-E-S. Wife, E, wives. Calf, calves. Thief, thieves.